Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to care for Bougainvillea plants. First, ensure your Bougainvillea receives ample sunlight, ideally 6 hours or more daily. This sun exposure is vital for vibrant blooms. Also, plant it in well-draining soil to prevent waterlogging, which can harm the roots. Water thoroughly when the top 2 inches of soil feel dry to the touch, then let it dry out again. For optimal blooming, let the soil dry out completely between waterings. This stress actually encourages more flowers. During its active growing season, typically spring through fall, feed your Bougainvillea monthly with a balanced fertilizer. As temperatures cool, reduce your watering frequency and stop fertilizing altogether to prepare the plant for dormancy. Pruning is essential for shaping your Bougainvillea and encouraging new growth. Always prune after a flowering cycle has finished. Make sure to remove any dead, damaged, or crossing branches to improve air circulation and light penetration. Regularly inspect your plant for common pests such as aphids or mealybugs and address them promptly with appropriate treatment. Bougainvillea is sensitive to cold, so protect it from frost if temperatures fall below 35 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have potted Bougainvillea, it's best to bring them indoors to a bright, cool spot for the winter. Reduce watering significantly during this period. Remember, a little winter care ensures a spectacular display next season. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.